Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and right next to the Ranch House Hotel is the Borax Museum. And today I'm going to look around the Borax Museum, video it for you. Part of it is indoors and part of it is outdoors. It has a lot of history in this area in Death Valley, so let me show you around. There is the Ranch Hotel, and here is the Borax Museum building. Let me show you the history they've got written on here, and then I'm going to go inside and see what's in there. Well, actually they're just turning it into a museum now. They have a few things here. So right now there's only a few things on the wall. There's the 20 Mule team. Pretty close up look at the 20 Mule team. And then this shows the route. So what they're doing is turning this into a store. Museum store. There's a few more things on the wall. But that is it for now. So maybe when you get here it'll be fully stocked with museum and store items. And they also have this old PBX machine.
PTs normally that can go away as well. I mean, it's damaged.
There's the books they're going to have for sale. At the front door, they have these papers that you can take. Let me show you what's on it. These are all the things that I'm going to show you now that is outdoors behind the museum. This has a description of each item. And here's the rest on the back side of it. So now I'm going to go around the back side of the building and show you what's back there. And behind the building is a patio where they gave a talk to us yesterday about a little bit about the history and about the hotel operation that they have here. So here's all the displays out back. Here's a really old rusted out printing press. And this is a railroad crew car. And this is a diesel electric generator. And they've got several buggies back here. Keeping them outside is going to wear them down from the weather, of course, but they have no place to put them indoors. And this is an engine for a narrow gauge railroad. That says the Baldwin Locomotive Works. It's always amazed me how complicated these engines are, especially the steam engines. Looking up there, all sorts of knobs and tubes and everything. And this is what they call old Dyna. Those two trailers. Wow, look at that wheel. My head goes up only to just barely over the middle of it. It's a logging wheel. Man, that thing is huge. And here is 20 Mule Team wagon train. as this sign tells about. Here's some more equipment. Really long trailer. It's actually a feed wagon. So I guess that's for feeding the horse or the mules. They use mostly mules in work animals here. This is a logging truck, and this carried a water tank. And this is what they call a scraper. I'm not sure what it scraped, but you can see it's real low to the ground there. Scraped something off of the ground. This is a water cart, and there's another huge wheels here. About 6.5 feet high wheel. This was used for the borax wagons. Some small implements here. Here's another scraper and a cart. And let's see what this is. It's a tripod for an ore bucket. And this one is a gold ore stamp mill. Whatever that is. I don't know. And next to that is a mine locomotive. There's the rear of it. And this really huge contraption here has got a label on it. This explains what it was used for. Here's an overall look at the outdoor museum pieces. I think it's pretty interesting. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Good day, folks.